is a 5-minute everyday makeup tutorial for busy ladies, busy women, busy mom, working class ladies. The first thing is to get a tinted moisturizer. Tinted moisturizer is your skincare infused with foundation. So this will give you hydration and also it will give you a bit of a tint of color, but it's not going to give you coverage. So you can see that my spots or my pigment is still showing through, but it's going to give you a healthy hydrating finishing. And the good thing about this one is you can apply it with your finger. You don't have to use a brush, and it is really fast. But if you don't have a tinted moisturizer, all you need is 70% of your moisturizer and 30% of your foundation. Then you mix it together. Go ahead and apply it with your fingertips. And this is what the tinted moisturizer is looking like. So for the purpose of those of you that have dark circle under your eyes, you need to conceal. So get a concealer that is your actual shade, put it at the back of your hand and use a beauty sponge to pick that from the back of your hand and place it under your eyes to conceal the dark circle. And even though I don't have a dark circle, but you can see difference between here and this side. And get your blush, place it on your cheek first, then blend towards the outer part of your face, and whatever you have left, place it on your nose. So what you're doing here is to blend out. You're not placing it like a stripe on your cheek, you're blending it out to the rest of your face, so it doesn't look like you have just one swipe of color here. Can you see? So make sure there's no harsh line, everything is well blended. For your lips, get a lip balm, place that on your lips, and whatever you have left from your blush, just put that in the middle. In everything you do, never ignore framing your brows. Make sure you apply mascara to your lashes. And here is what mascara does to the eyes. And here you have the finished look. This is the studio light. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks with natural light. So keep on watching. This is how it looks with natural light.